present tenses. Simple present tense. Used for habitual actions, general truths, and timetables. Example, I play tennis every weekend. Present continuous tense. Used for actions happening right now or around the present time. Example, she is reading a book at the moment. Present perfect tense. Used for actions that started in the past and continue to the present, or for completed actions in the past without a specific time. Example, I have lived here for 5 years. Present perfect continuous tense. Used for actions that started in the past and are still continuing, often emphasizing the duration. Example, they have been studying for 2 hours. Past tenses. Simple past tense. Used for completed actions in the past. Example, we visited Paris last year. Past continuous tense. Used for actions that were ongoing at a specific time in the past. Example, she was watching TV when I called. Past perfect tense. Used for actions that were completed before a specific time in the past. Example, they had eaten dinner before they went to the movie. Past perfect continuous tense. Used for actions that started and finished before a specific time in the past, often emphasizing the duration. Example, he had been working for hours before he took a break. Future tenses. Simple future tense. Used for actions that will happen in the future. Example, I will go to the beach tomorrow. Future continuous tense. Used for actions that will be ongoing at a specific time in the future. Example, she will be studying at 8 p.m. tonight. Future perfect tense. Used for actions that will be completed by a specific time in the future. Example, they will have finished the project by Friday. Future perfect continuous tense. Used for actions that will be ongoing for a period of time before a specific time in the future. Example, we will have been living here for 10 years by next year. Remember, practice is key to mastering these tenses. Try using them in your daily conversations and writing to solidify your understanding.